Hi, everyone. This is Peter McPhail with Lifestyle Properties of Maine. Appreciate you joining me today. I am at Broadway Park in Bangor, Maine. Bangor is the capital of Penobscot County. Just a few minutes from here, we are going to look at a 2-unit building. And the 2-unit has their 3-bedroom, 1-bath units. And one of those is rented out. And the other one, the owner has decided to keep open because we're thinking the best buyer for this would be somebody that wants to live in one and rent out the other to help cover the mortgage payment. The asking price on that property is $270,000 over on Birch Street. So let's head over there and take a look. So we've arrived here at 178 Birch Street. So this unit's 178, the one on behind me is 180. And 180 is vacant, so we're going to take a look at that today. But another neat location feature here is Frank's Bakery is just a couple minutes away over on State Street. We've gotten birthday cakes there, but I really appreciate the donuts that he has. This property here, as far as the rental goes, as I said, I think the best buyer for this would be somebody that wants to live in one, rent out the other. We have a long-term lease with a tenant here, so that's all set. This one's all wide open for you, and basically it would pay half of the mortgage. Let's go in and take a look at the property. So entering into unit 180, we come into the living room, and as you can see, it's a good sized space in here. We do have some nice hardwood floors, ceiling fan, and then there's plenty of windows in here to let in some natural light. And the house itself was built in 1920. It's about 1,550 square feet. So you figure each unit's going to be about 750 square feet. Let's continue on into the dining room. So here in the formal dining room, we do have one closet space here, and access to the basement is through the dining room. We'll hit that in a minute, but let's continue on into the kitchen. You'll see that it's been updated in here. Here in the kitchen, we do have butcher block countertop, and there is another exit entrance to this unit here, and it is a fairly good sized kitchen space in here. They look nice, but they're not the real tin, but they look nice. And the cabinets are like a hardwood cabinet. We do have a pantry in here, and then finishing the first floor of this unit, we do have the full bath. Let's go take a look at that. So as you can see, the full bath has been freshly painted, modern, and that window there looks out to the backyard. So we have a partial basement here in unit 180, and then 178 gives access to the rest of the basement. The electrical panel is down here. Let's continue on to the upstairs. So in here in this first bedroom, we do have a nice closet here. There are some small built-ins on that wall. The flooring upstairs, it's a laminate, so it's very easy to maintain. As you can see, we do have low ceilings up here. So if you're a tall guy, I'm about 5'10", shrinking every year, I think, but it is low ceilings. Let's head over to the second bedroom. So here in the second bedroom, the laminate floors continue, but we do have a closet here. Even though the door is small, the closet does go in all the way almost to that back corner. So you do have a small bedroom, but a good sized closet space. Let's head down to the primary bedroom that has a walk-in closet. So here in the primary bedroom, we do have a closet here. And actually I say small, but it does go way back into, it's a deep closet. And there's another room in the back here that I would say you could use that as more space. You could put another bed in there if you needed to, but really you could have one heck of a walk-in closet. The only thing you'll have to check on is your window sizes here, whether they would meet ingress or egress. You'd have to double check on that. Hey, if you're new to the channel and you have not subscribed, please do. Please like the video, subscribe. Click on the all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you've been watching us for some time and still haven't subscribed, please do. We would enjoy that. So one of the things here in the back has a nice little private backyard, and each unit has its own little deck space here. So you could put yourself, your tenants could have a grill out here, but it's a nice outdoor space. Let's recap what we looked at. We have a two-unit apartment building at 178 Birch Street here in Bangor. Great location. The asking price is $270,000. The property, if you're going to live in one, The other unit that is rented out would pay roughly half of your mortgage. So very affordable housing for the right person. You want to manage it yourself, that would be even better. This has been Peter McPhail with Lifestyle Properties of Maine. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you guys again real soon.